Hi, I'm Diana. I would like to today show you how you can make such a trinket tray. So let's get started. So first of all, we will need to measure powder portion, liquid portion, and I did already pre-measure 2 drops of blue pigment. It's this pigment. If you have the small testing one or the bigger one, which looks like that. So first of all, we will mix the liquid portion with the powder portion. And then we will take a little bit of the mixture here. So I show you what we will do. So now we will mix it. So here is our mixture, and now we will take a little bit, not too much, of the mixture like this. That's about really few grams. You can see, you don't even see it under the 20 or 10 milliliters. So it's really just a little tiny a bit. I will mix it with my spatula because I have it already dirty from pigment. So let's mix it well. Look that the pigment is really well mixed. So I think it looks great. Yeah. Now we take our silicone mold, and for this technique we will need toothbrush, and I show you what we will do now. So make your toothbrush dirty, and with your finger you will just do like this. You will need more of the mixture, like that. Just like this. It's not difficult. And we are done. Now we let it sit a little bit, but not too long, that this mixture doesn't get too hard. I will change my gloves. And after, we just take our white portion and we put it inside. But let's give it a little bit time. And like this, it looks like after. So I'm back for the next step. And now we will take our white mixture and we start with the corners. Fill up the corners. You can put your mixture a little bit higher. You can see it's started to thicken. We will probably have some air bubbles which we will have to pump out. Just like this. And thin layer over the blue color. Because the blue is not completely dry and we doesn't want that it breaks. And now we just tap with the mixture to get rid of the air bubbles. Just tap, tap, tap. a little piece. Oh, from my gloves are falling to blue pieces everywhere. Which is funny. And now we just put the white mixture, the rest. And we fill it up all just like this. Grab your silicone cup or whatever cup you have. And again, tap with your mouth. You can see I don't have all the mixture everywhere. So I will help myself by that. So. And this piece will not need even sanding. This, if you want, you can seal it immediately, or you can just leave it like it is. And now we just leave it, and I come back when it's all dry. How it looks. So if you like it, please leave me downstairs comment and like this video, please. You can also watch my other videos where I'm showing other techniques, and don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next one.